Hello viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. What are we going to do today? In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Cinnabun sauce. Cinnabun sauce. There's a company called Cinnabun, which is specializing in making cinnabuns, and very nice, by the way. But it's something that you don't need to spend money, a lot of money, for going to buy where they are expensive, when you can actually make them nice and fluffy and very delicious from the comfort of your home. So I'm here to fill that void and help you achieve just that. What do you need? For starters, to make a cinnabun a beautiful delicacy and delicious, you need a well-made, well-constructed and crafted cinnabun sauce. So for starters, we're gonna make the sauce. Then when we make the actual cinnabun, you know exactly how we made the sauce to put on top and decorate and make it wow, delicious. What do you need? All you need is your powdered sugar, which is, others they call it icing sugar, powdered sugar. Then you need plain cream cheese, which you can buy from your local retailers and other suppliers, but it's just plain cream cheese. Why plain? Because there is other cream cheeses which are flavored. We don't need those ones. Cheese and chives, pepper and what, those other ones we don't need. You just need plain one. You need vanilla essence. You need your butter, smooth butter, by the way. It must be smooth, not hard. So what I will do, I will take a piece, then I will put it in the microwave just to make it softer. But otherwise, you can take it out of the fridge in advance, knowing that you are going to make the cinnabun sauce. So you put it at room temperature so that you don't have difficulties in trying to soften it. But for this episode's sake, I'm going to put it in the microwave just to heat it up and make it soft. Your bowl and your hand mixer. So the secret is very simple. What you need, the powdered sugar or your icing sugar must be equal to your cream cheese. So most of the time, the amount of the cinnabun sauce that you get is determined by your available plain cream cheese, because this is quite expensive, but there's no other way. You have to buy it if you want nice things. Nothing comes cheaper, nothing is for free, so you have to spend a little money and buy that for quality end product. So what I will do, I will just heat my butter a little, just to give it a nice, smooth and room temperature effect. Then after that, then we can start the mixing. It's ready. Yeah. So you dip, you take out your cream cheese. I don't want to even lose anything. This is quite expensive, so I have to take everything out. The cream cheese. So in this case, this is a 250 grams of cream cheese. So we will need the same equal amount of powdered sugar or icing sugar. That's what they call it mostly here in Africa. There we go. So we need the same amount of icing sugar or powdered sugar. So which is 250 also. Then your butter must be 100 grams. Can be melted. You can melt it in advance. I see if you melt it, it comes so nice and then your vanilla essence. Just enough to give it a nice taste. Just combine everything together. Because of the heat that is here, it's summer this side, so it's hot already. So sometimes you will find you just combine with your hand like this, then you will see it's nice and smooth already. Then you don't need even to use a hand whisk, but for nice and smooth texture of your thing, you have to beat it very thoroughly so that it's smooth. So you don't need to make it too runny and watery, because when you make your Cinnabun, for them to really absorb and take in the Cinnabun sauce, it must be able to sit on top of the Cinnabun and melt in. Otherwise, if you make it too runny, when you apply it on top of your finished product, because you apply it while your Cinnabuns are warm, so it will just run over and don't have time to sink inside the Cinnabun. Because for a nice end product, a nice Cinnabun, you must be able to smell all the cream cheese, the butter, the vanilla essence inside the cinnamon bun. So to achieve that, you have to make it a little bit thick, that it will sit on top and melt from top down, than to spill over without sinking in, without the cinnamon absorbing as much taste and flavors as possible. So that's the whole tricky, but otherwise it's all niceness all the way. So in the next episode, I will be showing you how to make a Cinnabun while at the same time making use of our nice Cinnabun sauce. And by the way, it's a sauce, it will be a little bit thick like this, but when you apply it, it will be running. It will run on because the Cinnabun will be warm, so it will have time to run down and be absorbed inside the Cinnabun. So this is all that I have to show you in this episode for now. So in the next episode, I will be showing you how to make a perfect Cinnabun at home. Then you don't need to waste a lot of money anymore going to the shops, and also you can start taking orders and do good business selling your quality Cinnabuns. This is your resident chef signing out. See you in the next episode, where we will be traveling this journey of making good use of our expertise and knowledge on different cuisines and delicacies, and exploring a lot of any other things, cooking and baking. Your resident chef signing out, Chef Tonde, CSCME, Maitabasa, Tizona, next episode.